I'm going to show you how to make this chili splashy design from a red ink splash and a red chili. So at first select the quick selection tool and select your chili very gently. No, like this. When you did this, select the move tool and get your chili to the untitled 2 screen. Sorry. First we have to go file, new, and then custom. You see this all details. Copy it down just like it is. Name it like okay. Now what we have to do is go on red chili. Get this here. We don't have to put it in center, but in something right. Okay. Now like this. Then go on the our red ink splash and select it like with move tool like this and go on the incredible and paste it. Now place it somewhere here and go on layer 2 and press Ctrl plus T to transform it, then right click and warp. Select this and go here somewhere here. Select this, go somewhere here and press enter. Now as we are here we don't have to put just like in the corners. We have to put it inside like this and in like this and press enter. Then go to the eraser tool and erase this extra chili. Okay, like this. Everything 100%. Okay, now erase it. Don't erase extra, just it is. Okay, now we have to uh, merge them here. Go on eraser tool size to around 40% and opacity to 23%. Okay. No, you can take size around 100 like this. Then go on zoom tool and zoom here. Then go on eraser tool and select layer 2 and erase it like this. So the opacity makes it look like real. No, like this, like this. Look like we have what we want. And then press on zoom tool and go back where we are. Now the last step, press Ctrl plus U. The hue and saturation dialog box. Select. Oh, we have done it wrong. Cancel. And then first, before all of that, merge the two layers. Like this, press Ctrl plus E. Then we have our layers merged. Then our last step, press Ctrl plus U and select hue wherever you want. I like mm, this is good. Okay, press OK. Go to File, Save As, and change the extension to JPEG. On desktop, press Save. Now quality is full. If you decrease the quality, it will look very bad. So and it will also decrease the size, like it is here 185 KB and here only 47 KB. So I prefer you the maximum quality, then press OK and we have our saved image. here. You can use it as a background or lock screen or wherever you want. Like this we have here. So goodbye for now, and I will be back in some time. Till then, thank you.